Now just put up these values in this equation before we studied. Kw is equal to H3O plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration. Therefore, Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. So, Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14. That is, Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. This is an important formula again. First formula we studied, it was Kw is equal to equilibrium concentration of H3O plus into equilibrium concentration of OH minus, and the second formula we studied, it is Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. Two relations for ionic product of water. Now next article is pH scale. First of all, pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration in mole per dm cube, and pOH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration in mole per dm cube. What do you mean by pH scale? P stands for potens or potential, and H means H plus ion concentration. So potential of hydrogen ion concentration in solution is known as pH scale. Instead of writing concentration of H3O plus ions in mole per dm cube, sometimes it is convenient to express it on the logarithmic scale, and this is known as pH scale. That means up to now we considered all the concentrations in mole per liter or in mole per dm cube, but whenever we are going to consider a logarithmic scale, at that time concentrations expressed in logarithmic scale is known as pH scale. Okay, now next article is definition of pH and pOH. Whatever written in the formula itself is a definition. Definition of pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration, and pOH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration, both concentrations in mole per dm cube. Next article is relation between pH and pOH. Relation between pH and pOH. Write both the equations. Ionic product of water is equal to product of molar concentrations of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion, and second, ionic product of water is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. If you carefully observe both the equations, left hand sides of both the equations are equal. Therefore, we can equate right hand sides, and hence the next equation or representation is H3O plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. Now taking logarithm to the both side, logarithm of both sides to the base 10. So taking logarithm to the base 10 of both the sides, we get logarithm to the base 10 of H3O plus ion concentration. Due to multiplication, here it is plus logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration is equal to log 1 is always 0, 10 raised to minus 14. So log of 10 raised to minus 14 means minus 14 into log 10. Log 10 is always equal to 1, and hence it remains only minus 14. After this equation, just change the sides of equation or multiply throughout the equation by minus 1. Multiply throughout the equation by minus 1. Therefore, we get negative logarithm to the base 10 of H3O plus ion plus negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion is equal to plus 14. Now, what is this? According to definitions of pH and pOH, negative logarithm to the base 10 of H3O plus or H plus is pH, and negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion is pOH. Plus sign remains as it is. Hence pH plus pOH is equal to 14 is the relation between pH and pOH. This is very important formula. We have to solve numericals based on this formula. Question may be asked for your board exam for 2 marks. define pH and derive the relation for pH and pOH. Or what is ionic product of water? Derive its formula. In this way question may be asked to you. Okay, the next part of this chapter will study or continue on tomorrow's lecture. For today we are going to stop here only. Thanks to all of you.